In this video, I'll talk about how copy trading works in eToro. What you want to do is head over to Copy Trader. In here, you can choose one of these trending investors, or you can press View All. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the most copied over the last year. And let's say I want to choose this guy. If I select this guy, I'll be able to see his performance by each year. So as you can see, this guy has been doing pretty well over the past 7 years. And what you want to do if you want to copy this guy is simply pressing on copy. Now you can see the risk score here for the last 12 months, which is F4, and the higher the risk. So if you want to copy this guy, press copy, and you can also see all his stats, his portfolio, as well as the chart. So that is basically how it works, guys. You just want to find someone you want to copy, press copy, and then you will automatically copy his trades. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.